Okay, this video is about the first assignment. I'm choosing it because I thought that maybe it would be the easiest one for us to start out with materials that are accessible at home. Making an insect from recycled materials. So I'm going to try to go through things a little bit quickly here. This is not the way I would prefer you to do it, this cutesy, googly-eyed pipe cleaner wires thing. But, you know, if that's the way you want to do it, I'm not going to criticize it too much. I'd prefer something that's an attempt to be a little bit more realistic, because what will you have is you'll be having to study actual insect, do some research online to look at insects to do that. There's different ways to do this. This one uses wire, a lot of wire, but it looks like you have a bolt here, this one another bolt. This is paper. This is paper that's bent in tubes and whatnot. To me, that's close to origami, which is an amazing art form in itself. So I'd prefer that we use found objects. Here you have spoons. This is more like it. You know, this looks like it's taken from a lot of like plastic bottles and stuff like that, containers, and cut up with scissors. It looks like pipe cleaners for legs here. That's fine. It's a little more realistic because the joints look like they've been studied. Here it looks like it's very clear. It's a soda bottle with tape to make the wings. You have the legs look pretty realistic. I'm not sure how those were made, but it'd be easy enough to cut that out of a material. That, I don't know what that is. It doesn't look like recycled materials, does it? Neither does that. Here's another thing. So this is just using like mechanical parts, any kind of parts that you could find. So you could get very extravagant and very simple with it. So that's the end of part one. That's the first assignment.